If you've just seen the 5D code on whirlpool washer pop up during a wash cycle, you're probably standing there thinking, what now? 1 minute your laundry's spinning just fine, and the next your washer is frozen mid-cycle, and there's a strange code staring back at you. No water leaking, no loud bangs, just foam. Lots of foam. What's going on? Let's talk about what your washer is really trying to say. The 5D code on whirlpool washer, so when we use too much detergent, or the wrong kind altogether, the machine starts to drown in suds. Literally, it can't rinse properly, and it can't drain correctly, so it pauses and waits for the bubbles to calm down. Isn't actually an error in the scary something is broken sense. There is something else that most people overlook that can silently trigger the 5D code even when you're refollowing the instructions on the label. It's more of a friendly warning. Hey, I've got way too many bubbles in here and I can't rinse properly. Yep, it all comes down to suds. More specifically, too many of them. Or if the drain hose is kinked, the water backs up, and suds build up fast. Your machine is just trying to protect itself from a bubble overload. Give it a moment, check your setup, and make a few small tweaks. Chances are, you'll have things back to normal in no time, and your laundry day can go on. It's always worth checking those two things if the issue keeps happening. And here's where it gets a little tricky, because it's not just about how much detergent you used, but first, the basics. High-efficiency washers like yours are built to use less water and less soap. Here's what to do. Yes, even less than what the bottle tells you. Most loads need just a tiny bit, especially if your water is soft. Don't restart the cycle right away. Let the washer sit for a few minutes. It might automatically run a rinse cycle to clear the foam. Check your detergent. Are you using HE detergent? Are you sure? Because using regular detergent in any washer is one of the most common causes of this code. Use less. Look at your load. Overloading the washer or stuffing everything to one side can mess with drainage and create foam issues too. And now back to that thing we mentioned earlier. Sometimes, the problem isn't just detergent. If your pressure switch is acting up, your washer might think there are too many suds when there aren't. So next time the 5D code on whirlpool washer shows up, don't worry.